Come on, stand up. We need parts of speech to make sentences. If we want to make a sentence, then we definitely need these things: nouns, pronouns, verb, adverbs, adjectives, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. All are called part of speech. Sentences are made of words. If you will mix so many words, then it will form a sentence. We choose and arrange words to make a meaningful sentence. If we write jumble words, then it will not form a sentence. You have to arrange the word properly. You have to arrange the word meaningfully so that it will make a sentence. Okay. Say with me. Nouns. A noun is a person, place or thing. Say. Bolo. Say. A noun is a person, place or thing, or sometimes even times like spring. Okay. What is pronoun? Pronoun takes noun's own place. Instead of noun, what we put there is known as pronoun. So here, writer what narrated here? Writer narrated here, a pronoun takes the noun's own place, like they for children, C for grace, they for children, C for grace. Okay. Then it comes adjective. An adjective describes a noun. Adjective always describe a noun. Like happy or ugly, rich or brown. Like happy, ugly, rich, brown. All these are known as adjectives. Okay. Verb. A verb tells what the subject does. You know, sentence is divided into two parts. One is subject and another one is predicate. Okay. So, what is a verb? A verb tells what the subject does. Subject, what the subject is doing. Like jumps or pieces or eats or was. Okay. Like jumps or pieces or is or was. Okay. A verb tells what the subject does, like jumps or pieces or is or was. Okay. Then it comes adverb. An adverb tells you how or when. How old are you, Lado? Here how is the adverb. What are you doing? When will you go? When will you go? This when is your adverb. Like quickly or well or when. Like quickly or well or when. When is also an adverb. How do you do, Lado? Tell me, answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
I am well, ma'am. Your well is adverb. Okay. Preposition. A preposition leads a noun. In bed, at sea, or to the town. In bed, at sea, or to the town. To is the preposition, at is the preposition, and in is the preposition. Okay. So preposition leads a noun. Okay. A preposition leads a noun. In bed, at sea, or to the brown. Okay. Or to the town. Okay. Conjunction. Then it comes conjunction. Conjunction are a bridge across. You need a bridge to go cross from this side of river to that side of river. Understand? You need a bridge to cross the river from this part, from that part. If you want to go, then you need a bridge. Okay. So 1 minute please. So conjunction is just like a bridge. Conjunction are a bridge across two sentences, but and because. Okay, but and because. These two are conjunction. Okay. So, what is the example? He want to read, but he has no books. Here what is conjunctions. Okay. Then last is interjection. Interjection last of all. The interjection last of all. Like O and ouch are very small. Oh, ouch. These two are known as interjections. Okay. Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Go and do the worksheet.